Hello, it's Chris here. If you are looking for a new work van, check this out. Fully loaded mobile workshop. This is the 2018 Ford Transit L2H3 from a major utility company. It's got everything in the back, ready for work. Come on, let's have a look around. It's immaculate in the cab area. It's just going live onto the website. Fully loaded mobile workshop. It's come with everything you could ask for. You've got your inverter, you've got night heater, workbench, vice, microwave, water heater, internal lights, step, tow bar, ready for work. Warranty, finance, delivery is all available on this van. We've got a choice of these in stock. Really clean example for workshops. If you would like any more information, please feel free to speak to Chris or Nick. Thank you.